Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. I welcome you all in your bonus love messages for January 2021. This is your bonus love messages for January 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. I hope it will resonate with you. You can check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign because this is the general bonus love messages. So this is not going to resonate with each single Aquarius all over the world. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything Aquarius. So let's start your reading. Let's see what are the bonus love messages for January 2021 is there. Let's see what are the messages. If you want to tell me anything, let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for giving me beautiful messages, for liking me, for supporting my channel. Thank you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius for January 2021. I have already uploaded your main reading, your bonus reading, your soulmate reading, your extended reading. You can have a look on that too. Okay, again the dragonfly spirit has come. The first message from animal deck is koi fish spirit. There is always enough. Okay, there is always enough. Then there is a rabbit spirit. Now is a lucky time. Luck is on your side, Aquarius. Great fortune is coming towards you. Now is the time. Now in the present is the time. Okay, spider spirit. Make your dreams real. Make your dreams real. Then there is nightingale spirit. Love is all around. Love is all around you. Your new love is coming, Aquarius. It's not new. It's your soulmate, your life partner, soulmate, your twin flame, whatever you can call. But this person is from your past. Your soulmate is coming in January. That is the message which I was getting when I was doing your main reading. Okay, so have a look on that too. Then there is lion spirit. Be generous of spirit. Okay, be generous of spirit. There is a bobcat spirit. Life is a mystery. Okay, life is a mystery. Then there is squirrel spirit. Believe in yourself. That's very true. You have to believe in yourself. Okay. Then there is dragonfly spirit. Truth transcends illusion. Okay, so these are the messages from Animal Tarot deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius from Moonology deck. What are the messages? Beautiful messages. So a personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. Some personal issue is going to resolve in January, Aquarius. Okay. Then you have to surrender to the divine and you are very close to achieving your goal. You just need to surrender to the divine. Okay. Surrender to the divine. You are very close to achieving your goal, to achieve your goal. Then there is balance, spirituality and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. Full moon in Pisces is there. Then there is show the world real you. Full moon in Aquarius. Show the world who are you, Aquarius. The real Aquarius. Show the world real you. There is a time for healing. A time for healing is there. There is a time for healing. Then there is work through your fears. New moon and Scorpio. You have to work through your fears, Aquarius. Some of you Aquarius has to do your healing. You have to work through your fears. You have to work on your fears basically. You have lot of fears. You are there was an imprisonment card of fear and stress in your bonus reading. So you have to work through your fear. There is new moon in Scorpio, and there is new romantic cycle begin. New moon in Libra. That's why I told you a soulmate is coming for you. A new romantic cycle is going to begin. So these are the messages from this deck, and the sign which you can be dealing with is Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius, Scorpio and the Libra. So these can be signs which you can be dealing with. Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius, Scorpio and Libra. These can be the signs. Okay, so thank you numerology deck for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Right now you need to keep your patience, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from numerology deck. Forgiveness. Forgiveness is there, Aquarius. Forgive yourself. Intuition. Use your intuitions. Forgive yourself and forgive everyone who hurt you in the past. Forgive them. Relationship change is coming for you. So let's see what are the messages. Creativity. Yes, you are full of creativity, Aquarius. Use your creativity. Okay. You are someone who has lot of creativity. You have to use your creativity. There is a pride and there is a karmic completion. There is adventure here. Okay. So there is pride here. There is some kind of karmic completion which you are completing here. Okay. And the adventure is coming for you. There are a lot of adventures which are coming for you. Any other message? See, that's why I told you, you need to keep your patience and relationship change. Again, it has come for you. And while shuffling also, I was seeing these messages for you, Aquarius. So relationship change is coming for you. Your relationship will change. And there is a patience, which means that you need to keep your patience right now. Then there is perseverance and there is nature. Spend some time with the nature, Aquarius. Okay, you have to spend some more time with the nature. Go out and spend some time with the nature. There is a lot of green color here. That will help you to heal, and maybe there can be a message in the nature. Okay. See, that's why here it is. Music, healing, surrender and change. Okay. Spend some time with nature. Listen to the music. There can be a message in music too. And music also helps to heal. So listen to the message and there will heal you. There is a healing which will happen if you listen to the music. So listen to the music. Surrender yourself to the divine. Change is coming for you. So numbers that can be important for you are there is 5 number which is coming. So there is 5, there is 5. So change is coming for sure. There is relationship change. There is change. Change is coming. So number 5 can be important for you, Aquarius. So these are the important messages from the numerology deck. Thank you so much, numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from spell casting oracle deck. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages for my lovely Aquarius. There is a well-being, there is empowerment. You're getting more empowered than before, Aquarius. You're getting more empowered than before. You're getting your clarity. Your clarity is coming in January. There is Ace of Swords energy here. You will get your clarity and the prosperity and the home. In your home, the prosperity is coming. There is a home here, the happy home, the 10 of cups energy, the prosperity is coming for you. Let me see if I am having any other message. See, that's why good luck is coming for you. Good luck is with you, Aquarius. So do not worry at all, okay? Wow. That's why I told you reconciliation and good luck. Some of you Aquarius, you're going to reconcile, okay, in January. Reconciliation is going to happen. And you're getting your inner beauty back. You're getting your beauty back. You have to lighten your load. 10 of Wands energy is there. Lighten your load, Aquarius. Beautiful messages for you from this spellcasting deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from Quantum Oracle deck. What are the messages? See, family again. 10 of Cups energy is there in January. Beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. I love today's reading for January. Honoring path, getting success, recognition, victory, everything. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? What are the, you need to keep your courage, okay? Keep your courage, keep your strength, keep your hope. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Travel card is there again and again. Again, there is a travel card, okay. Any other message? Beautiful. Wow. Okay. So Aquarius, letting go and fragmented energy. You have to let go of the past. Let go of all those things which you are holding on. Can you see? This lady, this girl is holding on to the animals which do not want to stay, and the dog has already gone away, but the doors are opening up here. Can you see? There is a dog here and the door is closed and this dog has left. Then there are two dogs and the door is opening up here and the one door. So let go, Aquarius. Let go of anything which is not serving your highest good. Because there is family, there is travel. Some of you Aquarius are going to travel with your family. There is a happy time which is coming for you. There is a new chapter. There is new journey of your life which is going to start. Happy family, happy life is there. Traveling is going to happen in January for you, Aquarius. You are the deserving one, okay? Do not be in the stuck energy. You deserve this, okay? So deserving is there. Deserving is there. You do not have to feel like stuck energy, like 8 of Swords energy, feeling stuck, because there is a rainbow behind this man, okay? So you have to know that you deserve this. Again, there is joy, fun, and there is commitment. How beautiful things are coming for you. Once you let go of those things which do not serve your highest good, beautiful things are coming for you. Can you see how this is shining? Commitment is coming for you. Reconciliation is coming for you in January, Aquarius. January 2021. There is joyous fun, which is all about happily. Can you see? Everyone is so happy here. There are a lot of kids which are playing in a circus. This is not a circus. This is a. They are very happy. The girl is holding balloon. Everyone is so happy here in the picture. The commitment is here, and this man is smiling. Can you see how this man is smiling? how this man is happy. So commitment is coming for you. This is beautiful messages are there. You have to let go, Aquarius. Let go which do not serve your highest good. So these are the messages were from Quantum Oracle deck. See, change is coming for you. Thank you, Quantum Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely Aquarius. Have faith, Aquarius. The change is coming for you. You need to keep your faith. Have faith, have courage, have strength. See, celebration is coming for you. Beautiful. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? You're getting your power back. You are tuning into your power. And there is gentleness here. You're getting your power back. You are knowing your power basically. And there is gentleness here. Okay. You are knowing your worth. I can say that. You know that you deserve best. Expression. You need to be more expressive, Aquarius. Expression is here. Some kind of truth is coming for you. There is a truth which is coming for you, which you need to know. There is a third eye opening up for you. This truth was necessary so that you can move in a forward direction. That's the message I'm getting for you. You just need to surrender yourself to the divine and feel gratitude. See, bottom of the divine timing is here. Surrender, divine timing. Surrender to the divine timing. That's what I was saying right now. Surrender to the divine timing, Aquarius. Everything will happen according to the divine timing. When the divine timing will come, things will happen accordingly. Have an attitude of gratitude. Say thank you to the divine, to the things, whatever you are having right now in your life. Because not everyone can get that too. So say thank you for all those things which you are having today in your life. Any other message? You have to listen to the birds, to the nature, to the animals. Maybe there is a message here. Spend some time in nature with the birds. Maybe there are some animals around you. There are pets around you. The birds are here. There is a message to you. Okay. Then you are getting your purity. You're getting pure. Purity message is here. Wow. There is discernment, thought, awakening and ancestors. Beautiful. You're thinking, you're in a thought process, you're thinking that what is going to happen, and do not worry. And some of you Aquarius, you are awakening up. You're getting awakened. Awakening is taking place for some of you Aquarius. You're getting awakened in January. Awakening is taking place for you. Beautiful. Awakening is there. And you are blessed with your ancestors. Your ancestors' blessings are with you. You do not have to worry at all. The blessings of your ancestors are there for you. Let me see any other message. Love. Love is coming for you. Adventure is coming for you. Any other message? Other message. You're getting more wisdom than before. Okay, more wise than before. So something is there in which you have to make a choice. You're going to make a choice for your life, Aquarius. And there is a reflection here. Reflection card is here. Whatever you are doing, that will be reflected on your life. Okay, reflection is here. Then there is a message of nature again. Spend some time with the nature. You will find your balance. Balance is coming for you. Okay, balance is coming for you. There is a lot of adventure which is coming for you. Adventure is coming for you. Keep your hope. Okay, hope card is there, and there is love, and there is celebration. Celebration card is there in almost every deck in today's reading for you, Aquarius. I am doing your reading in every deck, almost every deck I'm having celebration and the love. So beautiful messages from Vintage Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Vintage Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from self-care card. See again, connection. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? I was seeing this card for message. Any other message? There are a lot of messages. See? Okay. Retreat is the first card for you. Take a mini retreat. Listen to the voice of your soul, Aquarius. Okay, there is a message for you. Retreat. Then there is support. Offer your support to someone. Experience the joy of serving others. Okay, so support others, Aquarius. Then there is a listening. Listen to your wise self. Let your inner compass direct the course of your life. Listen to your intuitions, Aquarius. That's a message for you. Then there is creativity. Express yourself, express your creativity, Aquarius. Delight in the mystery of your inner music. Okay, so delight in the mystery of inner music. Then there is intent. Focus your energy. There is amazing power in strong intentions. So there is an intention message. You have to keep your strong intention. And right now the waiting period is here. The wait is here. Honor your resistance. Sometimes no action is the best action for all, because there is an achievement which is coming for you. Chase your dreams. You may be surprised by where they lead you. Okay. Then there is time. Schedule a scared date with yourself. You deserve time for your life, Aquarius. Okay. Then there is release. Have a good cry. Grief is a doorway to your deepest self. Some Aquarius has to release it. So you can cry, Aquarius. Heal yourself. Do meditation. Whatever you can. Have a good cry is a way to heal yourself. Okay. Then there is guidance. Ask for guidance. The divine will meet your every need. There is wisdom, opportunities, tenderness. So many messages from this deck. Okay. Okay. Then there is wisdom message for you. Let go of the need to control. Trust in the wisdom of a divine plan. You have to trust them. Okay. There is tenderness. Speak gently to yourself, Aquarius. Cherish the child within yourself. Cherish the inner child. There are opportunities which are coming for you. Release your ties to the past. When you let go of the old, you make the room for the new. Okay, so opportunities are there. Then there are dreams. Think big. There are unseen forces which are ready to support your dreams, Aquarius. This is the message for you. Just you have to think big. Then there is nature card again. You have to spend some time with the nature. Take a walk. Let the beauty of the nature feed your soul and let them heal you. Okay. Then there is self-love. Care for your body. Self-love and self-acceptance are the ultimate acts of self-care. Okay. So self-love is indicated here. You need to self-care yourself. Then there is rest and relax. Release guilt and make your needs a top priority. Okay. Then there is playfulness. Play with a child. Children are your greatest teachers. If you're having kids in your home, play with them. Then there is truth. Tell the truth. Integrity is the key to living an authentic life. Authentic life. So tell the truth. Then there is clearing. Clear the clutter. Again, release and clearing is coming for you again and again. Clear the clutter. When in doubt, throw it out, Aquarius. Awareness. Practice present moment awareness. The meaning you yearn for the lives in the ever now present. You need to live your present. Priorities. Get your priorities straight. When you know what's important, saying no gets much easier. Okay. Then there is silence. Rest your mind. Silence is good self-care. Silence is the message. So thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for you from your guides. What are the messages for Aquarius? These two was fallen out, okay? And these two has come again, okay? Any other message for my lovely Aquarius? Any other message? Live your bliss. Live your bliss. You are a blissful zodiac sign. I always tell you, you are a blissful soul. Okay, Aquarius. So live your bliss. Lead by example. Possess self-confidence. That's the message for you. Okay. Worry is a wasted emotion. Be of service. Express your feeling, Aquarius. You are never alone. You are never alone. Express your feelings, okay? And there is understand your body. Maybe your body is trying to give you some messages. So try to understand your body. So these are the messages from your guides. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. And I'm going to close your reading. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius from the universe. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Give me the messages. Start where you are, Aquarius. You need to start where you are. Then there is your treasure is at hand. Okay. Your treasure is at your hand. Then there is convince yourself, not others. Okay. You have to convince yourself, not others. Most people are trying to survive. That's why I told you that your universe wants to tell you that I love you like crazy. As often they feel like urge. Let's not be the one of those persons. Just remember, most people are so beguiled by your charm, awed by your confidence, and inspired by your choices. They simply forget to say thank you, please, and I love you like crazy as often as they feel the urge. Let's not be the one of those person. So always have an attitude of gratitude. That's the message for you, Aquarius, because that's right. That's what I told you a little ago, that you are blessed in many ways. Say thank you for all those things which you are having right now in your life, because many people cannot get that too. Okay. That's the messages for yourself from the universe. Okay. You glow, we beam. Again, this message has come. You take one step, they will take 10 steps for you. You glow, we beam. Then there is that you have options is meaningful. That you have option is meaningful. So rock on. Okay, Aquarius. Then there is what you give will come back. That's right. What you will give, that will come back to you, Aquarius. That is for sure. That's the law of nature, law of universe, law of attraction, law of things, law of karma. Whatever you will give, that is going to come back to you. There is a deeper reason for each of your questions. Okay, seek it. That's the message from the universe. Then there is a message that you were born with that it quality. That's why I told you, Aquarius, that you are born with super things. Okay, you just need to have your focus on those things, which on your creativity, on your positive side, that whatever you are blessed, you are born with your it quality. Okay, then there is what would love do. Thank you so much, universe, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add one message from Fairies of Oracle deck, and I will close your reading here. I took 4. I was having 1, but let's see 4 because I was getting more message for you. First message is abundance. Prepare yourself for incoming abundance, Aquarius. Release any mental blocks you may have in fairyland and human land. There is enough abundance for everyone. Beautiful message for you. Abundance is coming for you. Then there is protect your dreams. You are the guardian of your precious dreams, and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. Protect your dreams, Aquarius. Okay. Precious time. The fairy of time wants you to experience every moment fully and to make the most of your precious time. Be mindful not to waste others' time either. Beautiful message. Beautiful message for you, Aquarius. Then there is inspiration. Be prepared. As soon as you will soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration. Come dusk or dawn, she can call at any time. So these are the messages from Fairy of Oracle deck. Thank you so much, Fairy of Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius all over the world. So these were your bonus love messages for January 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love and light to every Aquarius all over the world. See you soon, Aquarius.